Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change the eye comfort shield color temperature to more blue or yellow on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, and then in the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. Now we go down and tap on display. Next, scroll down and tap on Eye Comfort Shield. Tap on the left hand side panel. Make sure Eye Comfort Shield is switched on at the top. And then we go down in here, tap on Custom. So if it is set to Adaptive, choose Custom. And then we go down and drag on the color temperature slider bar to make the changes. And that's it. For a bluer color or a cooler color, you drag it to the left hand side. For a warmer color or a more yellow tint color, you drag it to the right hand side. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings, or tap on the home button to immediately return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.